25. Jesus is the reason for this season. Oh, there we go. I've got little lambs. Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to the Sky Fam. Today I'm getting ready to go to Samoa, and so I'm going to try and vlog the trip. But right now we're at SV Squad's house, and I'm just trying to balance out the weight of my bags so that I don't get stuck. What? Don't want to be here?
Smash it.
25.
25.
That's good. Maybe I'll take some snacks. Some heavy lollies, I'll put them in here. I think we're almost there, but I'm taking lots of stuff to Samoa for my parents. Looking forward to seeing them. And got lots of snacks for them, some other stuff for them. I'm only going for 5 days, so going to enjoy myself for a few days, and Evan's gonna stay with his Auntie Victoria and Uncle Ossie. It's meant to be storming in Sydney and Brisbane, so we're getting updated with the status of our flights, because they're telling us that with the storms it may impact our flight time. So hopefully that... Okay, I'm just checking the status of my flight. You have to turn on the mic. Departing on time. That's the current status of the flight, guys. And arriving on time in Brisbane. So I'm going via Brisbane. I'm going to be in Brisbane for 3 hours, and then on ways to Samoa. I arrive at the weirdest times. I don't know what's going on with the flights, but I'm going via Virgin, and I'm getting in at 3:15 a.m. Oh, guys. All right, let's show them our bag, and then we better go. Cute. All right. Oh, excuse you. Oh, I mean. Okay.
How many snacks do you need?
So, Mum and Dad love these coffee things, just to give you a little sneak peek of how I packed my bag this trip round. There's some watches there for some people. Chocolate. Chips. This thing. Maybe I could put this thing in there, hey? Oh no, it's 400 grams. They should let me. It's not a liquid. Anything that's heavy. Like some of these lollies. Aye. This, I have to take this up. Some... This, what is this? Yeah, I could take this. It's not very heavy. Okay, I could take that.
Or just open that up, dude.
What?
Scatter it.
I'll scatter it? Yeah. No, don't go and scatter, because I'll just take it up.
I want this.
How heavy is it, Sigla? Read the thing. Maybe I could take this. Yeah, they're all like... It's a combination of all the stuff. Oh yeah, okay. I'll take that on the bag. It should be okay now. And then this, guys, is a huge... It's so heavy. I thought it was like 3 point something kilos, but I reckon it's heavier than that.
Is it heavy?
Yeah, like marmalade, but it's like a mix for tea. And then I got my carry-on. I had to shift some of my clothes in here. I've got a couple of books in there, my laptop, more clothes, books. I will keep you updated after the plan. Thank you. Bye.
Let it snow. Good night. But if you're in...
Oh guys, so we're on our way now with Esther. She's tagged the new nickname Paul Walker, so everyone's... Looks like he's leaving too. Oh, he's going to. Goodbye. So Merry Christmas, guys. It's Christmas Day and we're on our way up to Sydney. Hopefully the roads are quiet. Hey, there's James. We've been listening to Christmas playlists the last 3 days. We went Christmas light watching. Oh, hey guys. We just stopped off to get some fuel. And we're on good time. We're gonna get there about an hour and a half before my domestic flight. Yeah, it was supposed to storm today. That was the forecast for Christmas. But thankfully it didn't, so we are on good time. Hope everybody is having a beautiful Christmas with their loved ones. And remember, Jesus is the reason for this season. Indeed he is. He came, left his throne of grace for you and me. The power of sin. No thank you.
Hello.
Yes, remember that Jesus is the reason for this season, and he left his throne of grace just to come down for the power of sin, to save the sinners, you and me. So that's how powerful sin was, that Christ the Lord would leave his throne just to come down to overthrow the power of sin for you and me. So just remember that today as you're celebrating with your loved ones. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna post this well after Christmas, but remember that Christmas is the real reason, is about Jesus, the true gift of all. And yeah, we just thank God for Jesus. May the Lord help us to understand the real power of sin, so that we might turn our hearts away from sin and look to God, our Redeemer. Hallelujah. All right, I'm starting to preach. But yeah, I miss my son. I miss Eben a lot. He's with his Auntie Victoria. And yeah, 5 days will go fast. I'm so tired. And then guys, I'm gonna have the same feeling coming back from Samoa, because I'm gonna miss my parents. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna miss my parents, because it's just them two there, and I know that they, especially my mom, she's gonna want to come back with me, but she has to stay there. I think they've made a plan to stay there for a little while. They'll come back soon, but it's gonna be hard when I come back too, because I'm gonna miss them. But that's the way life goes, isn't it? As you grow up, everybody goes their own ways, and everybody just starts living their adulting life, and yeah, it makes you cherish the time that you have together even more. So yeah, we thank God for that. Here at the Brisbane airport, just waiting for my flight to up here. It's looking like it's gonna go ahead, which is great. But yeah, I just had a club sandwich. Y'all are like that too. But yeah, I'm missing Eben. I spoke to him, he's fine, he doesn't even miss me. He just makes it better actually. But I thought because I was traveling on Christmas Day that the flights wouldn't be so full, but looking at how many Bobs are here, yeah, I reckon it's going to be a full flight. And I think because of limited flights as well, like the flights are so expensive to Samoa. Don't know why. Mum and Dad's going to pick me up when I land. I'm going to be so happy to see them. I'm sure they'll be happy to see me too. Alright guys, so just landed, and here with Mum and Dad somewhere over there. I think it's like 4 something. Yep, 4:15. We had a good flight. tell you a story about our flight after. Okay, Mum wants to show you that. Oh, hey, little kitty. Oh, there we go. We're in Samoa. No?
Kailangan may maulong nga lang kawan. O may malit siya may ukangin.
Wow.
Coba aku ya po.
Wow, look at the cows. Oh man, they're big. Wow. Oh man, they're massive. Oh, good job, good job.
Nalan mo yo.
Yeah.
Mayamam.
Oy, lengko mo mo eh.
Mosak. No po ame nga po.
Ko kikialo limba.
Uy, nga ole. Dua koruan vetchen. Tambak fal.
Dua kod. Yeah, au vetchen na nga dua kod mal fiku kiro ole ako averunga. Guys, this is the kitchen area. This is where they sleep. So humble, and I love it. The car's parked out there, and I'm just offloading my bag, and that big tub of honey, it popped open. But yeah, these are my little niece and nephew, Mayama and and Osana. Yeah, they slept here last night with Mum and Dad. But yeah, you can see we don't have any sinks. Like, there's no taps. You can't just walk over to a tap. And so, living the real old school life. Oh look, there's chickens in our backyard. Little chickens. Hello, chickens. Okay, this is Mum's dress that I bought from Samoa, so it got, part of it got wet with the honey thing, so it's just up to dry. Yes. Oh, it's not that hot. Not as hot as I thought. Maybe when it gets day. But Yeah, even my feet. Let me show you my feet, guys. Usually, like I have to wear when I travel, I have to wear compression socks. And yeah, my feet are a bit swollen. So they should de-swell in the next day or two. Probably in time for when I have to go back. I'm only here for 4 days. But yeah. Feeding times for the chickens. Sila lang mga ye. Ang usaw mo sa kuskus. What time is it, Mom? Oh.
Sakit dia mo. Bakit mo?
Ano fai? Or que le aqui no mo. It's just like that. It's daytime, and there's down in there. I don't know if you can see. I've got little lambs. Look, Mary had a little lamb. They're so cute. Yeah. Oh, there. There's more there. We're just surrounded by animals on this farm. Oh, and they've extended the house out with this little kitchen area. So cool. Oh, Dad just smacked the little thing. They're hungry. Well, what do they eat, Mum?